Have you ever felt lost when people start talking about balance sheets, income statements, or cash flow? Don't worry, you're not alone. Most people avoid financial statements because they sound complicated. But here's the truth. Once you understand the basics, they can actually help you make smarter money moves. Whether you're running a business or just managing your personal finances. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down what financial statements are, why they matter, and how you can use them to grow wealth and make smarter decisions. Stick around because once you learn this, you'll never look at money the same way again. Welcome back to the channel where we make money, business, and investing simple and easy to understand. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on practical money lessons that can change your financial future. Section 1. What is a financial statement? Let's start with the basics. A financial statement is simply a report that shows the financial health of a business or even an individual. Think of it like a report card for money. Instead of grades like A or B, it shows things like how much money you earned, how much you spent, and what you own versus what you owe. In short, financial statements tell the story of money. Section 2. The three main types of financial statements now. There are three main types you need to know. 1. The income statement. This is also called the profit and loss statement. It shows how much money came in revenue and how much went out expenses. Over a period of time, at the bottom, you get net income, that's basically profit or loss. Example. Imagine you run a lemonade stand. You earn $100 in sales, spend $40 on lemons and sugar, and $10 on cups. Your profit, $1.50. That's your income statement in action. 2. The balance sheet. This shows what you own assets and what you owe liabilities at a specific point in time. The difference is called equity, which is basically your net worth. Example, if your business owns equipment worth $5,000 but owes $2,000 in loans, your equity is $3,000. 3. The cash flow statement. This tracks the actual movement of cash in and out of your business. Because here's the truth. You can show a profit on paper, but still run out of money if cash isn't coming in fast enough. Example, you make a sale today but don't get paid for 60 days. On your income statement, it looks good, but your cash flow is suffering. Each of these tells a different part of the financial story. Together, they give the full picture. Section 3. Why financial statements matter. So, why should you care? Well, financial statements aren't just for accountants or big companies. For business owners, they show investors, banks, and even you how well your business is performing. For employees or investors, understanding them helps you know if a company is healthy before you invest your hard-earned money. For personal finance, you can even create a mini balance sheet for yourself listing your assets, debts, and income to see where you stand financially. Bottom line, if you want to grow wealth, you need to understand the story your money is telling you. Section 4. How to use them in real life. Here's how you can use financial statements in real life. If you're running a business, review them monthly so you can spot problems early. If you're investing, use them to figure out if a company is profitable, drowning in debt, or generating strong cash flow. And if you're managing personal money, treat your income as your revenue, your expenses as costs, and track your net worth like equity. It's like running your life like a business, and trust me, that mindset can transform your finances. So, now you know the basics of financial statements: income, balance sheet, and cash flow. They're not scary, they're just the language of money. And the more fluent you are, the richer your decisions become. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more simple money lessons. And drop a comment below. Which of the three statements do you think is most important? Income, balance sheet, or cash flow? Remember, money talks. Financial statements make sure you understand what it's saying. See you in the next video.